Good day mga Kabayan Techers, this is your The Kabayan Tech, and today we are going to discuss some errors that the V1S is encountering. So let's begin. I have two programmers here. I actually have the third one, which is the I2C, but I'm still waiting for it to be delivered. The initial programmer that I have is the iCopy. I find this one very reliable, but there are some pros and cons on the iCopy that the V1S would be easier. I'm not going to do a comparison here, but I've been getting some concerns that they're having issues with their V1S. So the version that I have is 7.4. Don't know if this one is the latest update, but normally the reported one is, and I also encountered it. So the first one I don't have a video on, and I don't have a device here. For the 11 series, if you copy the original screen that has the True Tone on the third-party screen won't show up. So I have to resort to using the iCopy and repeat it all over again. So my customer was asking about True Tone on this screen, and I told them I did copy it. I know it's an inconvenient. I asked them to come back, and I used the iCopy instead. I copied the third-party screen. It has the serial number on it, and then I use iCopy and rewrite it using the iCopy, and then tested the phone. That's the time that the True Tone came back. There will be some comments that will say that there are some screens that you won't be able to write. Yes, I am aware of that part, but I was able to read the original screen and write it onto that same screen and also on that iCopy. For the 12 series, the issue that I have, so I'm going to change the board, and I'm going to use the one that I've been using to use for third party. I have a 12 mini here, so I won't take out the screen, and I'm going to plug the USB cable, the top of the V1S, and also on this 12 mini. What should happen is after I thrust it and put the passcode, it should show up the serial number in here, but instead it still got stuck and it says please authorize the phone. And this happened to me when I tried doing the 12 series phone, and I don't know what to do on that part because I just updated my V1S a month ago, and I don't know if there's a new firmware that came out. So that's the issue for the 12. So the resolution is to actually take out the screen of the 12 series phone, use the board to copy and paste it to a third party. I will show it to you because if you're going to tell me maybe your V1S has the issue. So I'm going to connect a 10R. It says here that it's going to ask for it to trust the computer, and then once I trust it, it's supposed to do it this way where it's going to copy the serial number for the True Tone. And then for the 11, this will work for the 11, but the actual taking out the screen and copying it here doesn't work. So that's the reason why I have resorted to using my old iCopy programmer. I will make another video regarding updating if there is an update for this V1S and try to redo this one again. But for now, at least for you to be cautious, you could use a computer where you plug the V1S going to the computer, and it will read the True Tone serial number from the 12 series phone. But if you don't have time to do that, that's the purpose of the V1S, for it to be convenient. And that's it mga Kabayan Techers. Kindly click on the subscribe button and then click on the bell button for you to know any new videos that we have. Those recently subscribed to my channel, I thank you a lot. By next video, I'm going to give a shout out to the new subscribers that we have. Again, thank you very much and have a good day.